Come test drive the 2018 Ford Fusion Hybrid. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.